Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are good at your homes. So I'm back and we are here to learn maths. आप सब excited हैं मेरे साथ maths पढ़ने के लिए? Very good. So everyone, take out your books. And today what we are doing? We are doing the exercises of chapter 1. लास्ट क्लास में हमने क्या सीखा था? चैप्टर 1 सीखा था मैथ्स में. So today what we are going to do? We are going to do some exercises on based on that chapter. So everyone is excited? Okay, so let's get started. So today we are going to do the start our chapter 1 exercise, a scene of a class. Bachcho, before starting the chapter exercise, let's do a quick recap of the chapter. So, all you are ready? And listen to the ma'am very carefully. So, in the previous class, what we have learned? We have learned the concept of inside and outside. So, in the concept of inside, what I have told you? That anything which I kept under or in anything, what word we are going to use? We are going to use inside for that. Similarly, if I kept anything out of any object, then what word we are going to use for that? We are using outside for that. सब बच्चों को याद आया? जब भी कोई भी चीज अंदर होती है तो हम क्या वर्ड यूज करते हैं? वी आर यूजिंग द वर्ड इनसाइड फॉर दैट. सिमिलरली कोई भी चीज अगर बाहर होती है, बाहर होगी, तो व्हाट वर्ड वी आर गोइंग टू यूज किड्स? वी आर गोइंग टू यूज आउटसाइड फॉर दैट. जस्ट रीड द क्वेश्चन विद मी. Tick in which picture ball inside the bucket. What we are going here? We are seeing that there is one bucket. One bucket is here and one bucket is here. And one ball is inside the bucket and one ball is outside the bucket. But in this question, what we have to do? We have to take the picture in which ball is inside the bucket. हमें उस पिक्चर पे टिक करना है जिसमें बॉल जो है वो क्या है? बकेट के अंदर है. तो in which picture the ball is inside the bucket? Yes, tell me. Very good. In this picture, the ball is kept inside the bucket. So what we have to do? We have to take this picture. Everyone is able to understand how we are using inside and outside. Let's revise the next concept. The next concept is on and under. So as you can see in the first picture, what is happening? There is a table and a hand is standing on the table. टेबल के कहाँ पर है? ऊपर है. तो मैम ने आपको बताया था ना, कोई भी चीज अगर ऊपर होगी तो we are using on for that. In this we have to take this on word because the hand is standing on the table. And in the second picture, what is happening? There is one table and the lion's baby cub. What is he is doing? He is standing under the table. टेबल के कहाँ खड़ा है कब? नीचे खड़ा है. तो कोई भी चीज अगर नीचे होती है तो we are using the word under for that. So we can say that the cub is standing under the table. So we have to take on this under word. Everyone understanding where we are using on and under? Very good. Let's move to the next concept. The next concept is far and near. सब बच्चों को याद आया? जब भी कोई भी चीज हमसे दूर होगी, कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट हमसे दूर होगा, वी आर यूजिंग द वर्ड far for that. पर अगर कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट हमारे पास में होगा तो वी आर यूजिंग नियर फॉर दैट. जैसे कि हम पिक्चर में देख रहे हैं, देयर इज वन ट्री एंड अ बर्ड इज फ्लाई नियर द ट्री. सो वी कैन यूज नियर वर्ड फॉर दैट because the bird is near to the tree. Everyone is understanding where we are using the near word? Similarly, the bird is flying too far from the tree. बहुत दूर उड़ रही है ना bird tree से, तो we have to use the word far for that. The bird is flying far from the tree. So everyone is understanding where we are using near and far? Very good. Now we are moving to our next concept, that is up and down. In this concept, मैंने आप लोगों को क्या बताया था? कोई भी चीज अगर ऊपर होगी तो we are using up for that, और कोई भी चीज अगर नीचे होगी तो we are using below for that or down for that. So in this picture, what we are seeing here, the girl is, गर्ल क्या है यहाँ पर? ऊपर है. गर्ल और बॉय क्या झूल रहे हैं? They are swinging the seesaw. तो गर्ल कहाँ है? ऊपर है. तो we are using up for that. And the boy is sitting downwards on the seesaw. नीचे बैठा हुआ है वो. So we are using the word down for that. Everyone is understanding where we are using up and where we are using down. Let's revise the next concept. Our next concept is left and right. So in the left and right concept, what I have told you, that whatever the things are kept on my left hand, we are using the word left for that. और जो चीजें हमारे राइट हैंड साइड की तरफ होंगी, वी आर यूजिंग राइट फॉर दैट. So in this question, what we have to do, we have to tick the left number from 65. हमें क्या करना है? We have to tick the number which is left from the 65. मैम का लेफ्ट हैंड ये है, लेफ्ट हैंड की साइड में 65 के कौन सा नंबर है? क्विकली सी, 65 के लेफ्ट में कौन सा नंबर आ रहा है? 52. So we have to tick this 52 number. So this is the left of 65. Now the next question is circle the right number from 87. What we have to do? We have to circle the right number. मैम का राइट हैंड साइड कहाँ पर है? ये रहा. तो हमें क्या करना है? 87 नंबर के जो राइट हैंड साइड पे नंबर है उसको हमें क्या करना है? सर्कल करना है. So what is the number right hand side from 87? 87 number is here and the right hand side number is this 90. So what we have to do? We have to circle this 90. Everyone is revising the concept of left and right? Very good. We are going to move on our next concept. That is the concept of above and below. So I have told you that whatever the object is up from our side, जो हमारे से कहाँ होता है? ऊपर होता है, उसके लिए we are using the above. और जो चीज हमारे से नीचे होती है या कोई ऑब्जेक्ट जो नीचे रखा होता है, we are using below for that. So as you can see in the picture, this is a clown and the balloons are above from the clown. Clown से कहाँ पर है? ऊपर है. So we are using the word above for that. And आप लोग देखिए in the picture, similarly the ball is below the clown. Ball जो है वो क्या है? Clown से नीचे रखी हुई है, legs के नीचे है clown के. So we have to use below word for that. So now we are going to move our next concept, that is before, after and between. तो हम लोगों ने बिफोर कॉन्सेप्ट में व्हाट वी आर लर्न इन दैट कॉन्सेप्ट, कोई भी चीज अगर हमसे पहले होती है, कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट अगर पहले रखा हुआ है, वी आर यूजिंग द वर्ड बिफोर फॉर दैट। और अगर कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट बाद में रखा हुआ है तो वी आर यूजिंग द वर्ड आफ्टर फॉर दैट। सिमिलरली कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट अगर कोई दो चीजों के बीच में रखा हुआ है, वी आर यूजिंग व्हाट वर्ड किड्स? Between. Very nice. Let's do some exercises on based on that. Read the question with me. What comes before 36? What is the number written over here? 36. So what we have to do? We have to write the number just comes before 36. 36 से पहले कौन सा नंबर आता है kids? Very good. The number 35. So we have to write 35 before 36. Read the next question with me. What comes after 85? What we have to do in this question? We have to write the number which comes after 85. After का मतलब क्या बताया था मैम ने? जो उसके बाद में आता है। तो what comes after 85? The number, yes, 86. So 86 comes after 85. Now read the next question with me. What comes between 56, 58? That means what we have to do, we have to write the number which comes between 56 and 58. What number comes between 56 and 58, kids? Very good. The number 57. So everyone is able to understand how we are going to write the before, after, and between objects or the before, after, between numbers? Very good. Everyone open your books. Now we are going to do the exercises of our chapter 1. So first read the question with me. Can you label which bird is far from the hut and which bird is near? Everyone know the concept of far and the concept of near. इस क्वेश्चन में what we have to do? We have to write which bird is far and which bird is near. तो आप पिक्चर में देखिए, ये जो आपकी हट है, हट के पास ये वाली बर्ड है और जो ये वाली बर्ड है ये तो बहुत फार उड़ रही है, बहुत दूर उड़ रही है. So we have to say this thing that this bird is near the hut. So we have to write near for that. And this bird is very far from the hut. So we have to write far for that. Everyone done this exercise in their books? Very good. Let's move to the next exercise. First, we have to read the question carefully. Circle the image on the right that is before the image on the left in mirror. So first, what we have to do, kids? We have to find the mirror. This is the mirror in the picture. So this is our mirror. Now in this mirror, what we have to do, जो लेफ्ट में मिरर के पिक्चर है, मिरर के लेफ्ट में कौन सा पिक्चर है? ये पिक्चर है. इस पिक्चर के राइट में जो ये पिक्चर है, इसके लेफ्ट में पिक्चर को हमें क्या करना है? वी हैव टू सर्कल दैट. तो मिरर के राइट में ये पिक्चर ये रहा हमारे पास, बोथ आर सेम, एंड वी हैव टू सर्कल द लेफ्ट ऑफ दैट पिक्चर. तो लेफ्ट कहां पर होगा? जहां पर मेरा इसका लेफ्ट हैंड जाएगा. मैम का लेफ्ट हैंड ये है, तो लेफ्ट हैंड कहां जा रहा है? इधर जा रहा है. सो वी हैव टू सर्कल दिस एलिफेंट. Everyone is able to understand? सबने अपनी बुक्स में किया? Very good. Now we are going to move on our next exercise. Okay, read the question carefully with me. Cross the animal which is between cat and dog. What we have to do in this question? We have to cross the animal which is kept between cat and dog. So where is cat, students? Yes, cat is standing sitting here. And where is dog? Dog is here. So we have to cross the animal which is between cat and dog. Between वर्ड का मतलब मैम ने क्या बताया था आप लोगों को? जो ऑब्जेक्ट कोई भी दो चीजों के बीच में होता है. तो बिटवीन में कैट और डॉग के बीच में कौन सा एनिमल है? दिस काउ. सो वी हैव टू क्रॉस दिस एनिमल. ओके, everyone did this exercise in their books? Very nice. Now we are going to our next exercise. Okay, read the question with me. Write I for inside and O for outside. What we have to do in this picture? We have to write I for inside and O for outside. Let's see the first picture. What is we are seeing here? There is a jar and there are some strawberries. What we are doing here? We are kept the strawberries inside the jar. सारी strawberries क्या है? जार के अंदर रखी हुई हैं. So we have to write I. हमें inside के लिए क्या लिखना था? We have to write I for inside. So we have to write I because सारी strawberries कहाँ है? जार के अंदर है. Okay. Now move to the second picture. What is happening here? There is one jar and there are few strawberries. But the strawberries are kept outside the jar. सारी strawberries क्या है? जार के बाहर रखी हुई हैं. So we have to use O for outside. We have to write O for outside. Everyone did this exercise in their books? Very good. Now we are going to move on next exercise. Read the question. We have to tick the correct one. We have to tick the correct one. Let's read the first part. Tick the pot at the bottom. Bottom means we have to tick the pot which is at the bottom, जो सबसे नीचे रखा हुआ है. So there is one lady. He is carrying 3 pots in on her head. So which pot is at the bottom? This pot is at the bottom. Very good. So what we have to do? We have to tick this pot. हमें क्या करना है इस क्वेश्चन में? जो pot सबसे नीचे रखा हुआ है, the pot which is at the bottom, we have to tick that pot. Everyone did? Very good. Move to our next exercise. What we have to do? We have to tick the rabbit at the top. हमें उस रैबिट को टिक करना है जो कहां पर है? टॉप पर है. टॉप मीन्स व्हाट? जो सबसे ऊपर है. तो यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर we have 3 rabbits. 1 rabbit, 2 rabbit, 3 rabbit. And which rabbit is at the top? सबसे ऊपर कौन सा rabbit है? First rabbit. So what we have to do? We have to tick like this. Everyone did? Very good. Move to our next exercise. Read the question with me. We have to tick the pot which has more flowers. What we have to do? We have to tick that pot which has more flowers. हमें उस वाले पॉट को टिक करना है जिसमें सबसे ज्यादा फ्लावर्स है। कैसे फ्लावर्स है? मोर फ्लावर्स। सो लेट्स काउंट विथ मी। जो फर्स्ट पॉट है किड्स, उसमें कितने फ्लावर्स हैं स्टूडेंट्स? 1 2 3 4 5। फर्स्ट पॉट में we have how many flowers? We have 5 flowers. Let's move to the second pot. Second pot mein we have how many flowers? Just one flower. And in the third pot, how many flowers do we have? We have 1 and 2. So that means we have 2 flowers. Now tell me which pot has more flowers? किस pot में ज़्यादा flowers है? First pot में 5, second pot में 1, third pot में 2. तो ज़्यादा flowers किस में है? फर्स्ट पॉट में है। बिकॉज फर्स्ट पॉट में कितने फ्लावर्स हैं? 5 फ्लावर्स हैं। सो वी हैव टू टेक दिस पॉट। ओके, एवरीवन डिड दिस एक्सरसाइज इन देयर बुक्स? वेरी गुड। मूव टू आवर नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज। रीड द क्वेश्चन। क्रॉस द बिगेस्ट and circle the smallest one. What we have to do? We are seeing there are 3 cars in the picture. We have to cross the first picture and circle the smallest picture. हमें क्या करना है? क्रॉस करना है सबसे बिग पिक्चर को, जो पिक्चर बिग है। तो तीनों पिक्चर्स में सबसे बिग कार कौन सी वाली है? फर्स्ट वाली। So we have to cross this picture and we have to circle the smallest one. Which is the smallest car among these 3 cars? Very good, third one. तो third car जो है वो हमारी सबसे छोटी है. So what we have to do? We have to circle that car. Everyone did? Very good. Move to our next exercise. Our next exercise is we have to cross the biggest and circle the smallest one. What we have to do? We have 3 fishes in the picture. और हमें इसमें जो सबसे biggest है, the biggest one, बड़ी वाली जो fish है, उसको हमें क्या करना है? Cross करना है. तो who is going to tell me which is the biggest fish in the picture? Yes, the second one. So what we have to do? We have to cross the second fish because this fish is the biggest one. Now what we have to do? We have to circle the smallest one. सबसे छोटी fish कौन सी है इसमें? Yes, tell me. Very good, the third one. So what we have to do? We have to circle the third fish. Everyone did this? Good. Move to our next exercise. What we have to do? Tick the correct one. We have to tick the correct one. Read the question with me. Tick which is above the sun. What we are going to see in this picture? We have 3 things. First is, what is this, kids? Tell me. Very good. This is moon. And what is this, kids? This is sun. And what is this? This is cloud. हमें क्वेश्चन में क्या करना है? We have to tick the picture which is above the sun. Above का मतलब क्या हुआ? sun के ऊपर जो है. तो पिक्चर में देखिए, which picture is above the sun? sun के ऊपर क्या है? Moon. So what we have to do? We have to tick the moon. Everyone did this? Above का means क्या होता है? ऊपर. तो sun के ऊपर क्या पिक्चर बना हुआ था? What's the picture is? Moon. So what we have to do? We have to tick the picture above the sun. Everyone did? Very nice. Move to the next exercise. Read the question with me, kids. Tick the correct one. Again, we have to tick the correct one. Read the question. Tick which is below the lizard. अब इस पिक्चर में सबको lizard दिख रही है. Everyone is able to see the lizard. Very good. Who is he? This is, yes, tell me, tortoise. Who is he? This is lizard. And who is he? This is frog. Now tell me, which picture is below the lizard? कौन सी पिक्चर है जो lizard के नीचे है? Yes, lizard के नीचे कौन बैठा है? Frog बैठा हुआ है. So we have to tick this frog. Because which picture is below the lizard? The frog picture is below the lizard. Everyone did? Very good. Let's move to the next exercise. What we have to do? We have to tick the correct one. We have to tick the correct option. Read the question with me. Tick which is below the apple. Wow, there are yummy fruits over there. So can you tell me which fruit is this, kids? This is apple. And which fruit is this? Yes, this is mango. And which fruit is this? This is banana. So what we have to do in this picture? We have to tick the fruit which is below the apple. एप्पल के नीचे जो फ्रूट है, बिलो का मतलब क्या हुआ? नीचे. तो एप्पल के नीचे जो फ्रूट है, वी हैव टू टिक दैट फ्रूट. तो एप्पल के नीचे कौन सा फ्रूट है? मैंगो. और एप्पल के नीचे कौन सा फ्रूट है? बनाना. So what we have to do? We have to tick both the pictures. First mango and second is banana. Because both the fruits are below the apple. दोनों क्या है? एप्पल से नीचे हैं. So everyone did this exercise? Very good. So अगर आप लोगों को while you are doing the exercises, while we are doing the chapter, if you have any doubt, what you have to do? You have to see the ma'am's video. And then you are able to do all the exercise part. So everyone is enjoying learning maths with me? Yes, very good. So this is all for today, kids. Now we are going to start our next chapter in our next video. Till then, bye and enjoy.